is ready.
Hello, coming in.
I was looking over there. Go back out there again. 1, 2, 3, action. You know, becoming plant-based and eating plant-based food, you're faced with all different things that you're not normally, used to, especially tempeh. It's like a lot of people find it really gross, or it's just like, there's like something about it and they can't get used to it, and it's like, it's just one of the things. I have a really great way of pimping this up so the flavour is sublime. So this is a gorgeous piece of fresh tempeh, and I want to cut it into cubes. Just bite-sized cubes like this. And then I want to make a quick marinade. So I've got some tamari. And some maple syrup. And that saltiness and the sweetness come together just beautifully. And I've got some sesame oil for that savoury component. Okay, we just want to whisk this up and taste it. Yum. And then I'm going to add my tempeh cubes to this. And just coat all sides of this. There's no like leaving it to marinate for hours or anything like that. No. We don't have time for that. You just want to coat it. You want to get your pan to a medium heat. Just a dash of coconut oil so nothing sticks. Just roll that oil around the pan. And then with your hands, just coat the tempeh in this beautiful golden marinade. Now carefully with a spoon, because liquid and oil kind of react and just like, you don't want that to happen. Straight into the pan. All we're doing is searing the sides of each cube. Tempeh is already cooked. Isn't that interesting, right? You wouldn't think it would be, but it is. The next process in doing this is to making sure that your heat is not too high, because it will burn the maple. So you have to be mindful there. So keep really involved in the heat of your stove. And it's a really good idea is to grab your frying pan and just kind of zhuzh it around the heat. Grab a pair of tongs and then just lift, and you can just see the colour coming through now. Just turn them over. And this is a moment where you're just like, this is where you get some gratitude in, because sometimes we have no patience. Well, I particularly don't have patience. So this is when I sit back and like, oh, this is good. This is a good moment in time and to just chill. And I say that to myself, and I recognize my body, and I recognize how I'm standing right now, and I recognize my shoulders, and I recognize my tummy and my thighs and my butt and all the things that have been holding me together my entire life. And I smile, and that's what puts the seasoning into the pan, is that energy. Or I could be, this is really stupid, I hate this, I can't do this anymore, God, this is taking too much of my time, I'm just going to eat what I want, I don't care. Oh, what is that phone going? Oh my God, there's an email going. Or you could do that energy. So it's all about you just taking a moment, reflecting back on where you originally came from, which is nature. And nature gets it right every time. Okay, those sides are beautifully coated in this golden, yummy colour. And this is where I'm going to tip the rest of the marinade in. Super low heat, Allow that to bubble up like this. Let it do its thing. Wiggle the pan around. Allow the tempeh to dance in this amazing liquid. No burning. Nothing's evaporating really quickly. It's still got that liquid in there. And then we turn that off. This is literally 30 to 40 seconds. Go straight back into the bowl. Into the liquid. That's caramelized and reduced a little bit. And there we have some delicious, gorgeous tempeh cubes, which we can use now. So we can have the chili bean in a dragon bowl. We can have the roast veggies in a dragon bowl. We can have the tempeh skewers in a dragon bowl. We can have it into a wrap as well. And that's how we how we move the energy around with the food. We're moving it and we're eating such goodness. That's good. It's really tasty. Allow it to cool completely and then grab a wrap and fill it up with the salad that you want and wrap it up and you're good to go. Yum. So what's really cool, when they're nice and warm, put them on a skewer like this. So cool. Oh man, they're so delicious. So delicious and nutritious. And make a really big salad of all the bits and pieces that are in the fridge. And you are good to go. This is what I do. Nice, lovely, just really simple. All those ingredients into here. And then a couple of skewers on the side and a little bit of that drizzle of this really cute, very lush marinade. We are done. And that is for tomorrow in a wrap, in a dragon bowl, anything. But this is just a great way to really, celebrate tempeh, because we all get a little bit scared of tempeh. We're kind of like, oh, I don't like tempeh. It tastes like shit. Or you don't understand, tempeh is really gross. Well, when you marinate it like that, you're getting that saltiness and that sweetness and that savouriness coming through. Anything is possible. Enjoy this. I know I'm going to enjoy this, so yeah. Oh yeah, baby, it's good. A bit of salt and pepper on the veggies. A bit of olive oil too. Oh my God, it just doesn't end, does it? Yeah, totally. See you in the next video.